Want to start building an email list but feel completely lost? Even beginners can get their first subscribers without overcomplicating things. Let me show you a simple way to get started with just one lead magnet and a landing page, no prior experience needed. You can see how easy this is. I just set up a simple funnel with a lead magnet inside system.io. Add a headline, include your email form, and share the link anywhere you like. No website, no tech headaches. But if you want to skip the trial and error phase, AI Faceless List Builder is perfect. It gives you done for you templates, AI prompts, and step by step walkthroughs so you don't waste weeks figuring it out. You will have your faceless funnel running and collecting subscribers even if this is your very first time. Plus, you get the 7-day faceless funnel activation checklist and the AI prompt vault so your lead magnets and emails are ready to go. If you're ready to get your email list off the ground without stress, AI Faceless List Builder is beginner friendly, includes done for you resources, and costs just $17.97. Click the link in the description and start building your faceless funnel today.